Alright, what is up, beautiful people? Today is September 8th, so it is Asia Tuesday. And pretty much over here, you guys, I'll go over the two trades that I have taken today. And lately, man, I don't know what it is, bro, but I've been severely under risking. I think my confidence has been shot. I gotta remind myself, though, is that, no risk, no reward. I'll show you guys what I did for today here. As you guys, today we are up 0.5 for today. And, bro, I'm not even risking 1%. I'm severely under risking. But I'm trying to justify because right now, my emotions, lately, I've just been very emotional when I trade. Like, I'm having these thoughts of what if, when I should try to be as mechanical, right? Just look at the highs, lows, clear targets, entries. Today, though, it was a pretty good day. I actually like the trades that I've taken. And I'll show you guys what I mean. So let's go over to the 4 hours. As you guys can see, New York has taken all-time highs again. We broke. Right? Extremely bullish. I mean, I'll draw it out for you guys if you don't see it, right? Just pretty much like hella bullish. Same narrative on the 1 hour, creating higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so on today, Asia Open, I was like, chances are we're probably gonna break this high, but what do we see here at opening? Is we have the high here and we have a 4 hour, right? So originally, and let me just take away the 4 hour. My direction was either okay, we push up, or we hit the 4 hours. Okay. So going in today at 8 p.m., as you guys can see over here, is where my entry is. We were hovering around here, but we had a breakout candle just before opening. So I was like, oh, okay, we took out all of these highs. We have a break here. We scale to the 1 minute. We have one break, two breaks. And what is our strategy? Okay. We like going with momentum. So if I'm seeing this pre-market, okay, chances are this market we're probably going to push up. And the only good draw that we have is that hourly highs right over here. Oh, that's 4 hour. Just these hour candles pretty much right over here, right? We have this one right here and we have this one. So going for today, okay, let's see what goes into my head. Again, right? We have clear market structure, bullish. We have the first break, no entries. We have the second break. Okay, so after this break, I was certain, we're going to push higher. So what do? We wait for an entry right here. We created a 1 minute fair value gap. And that's why I'm saying I under risk. Like, if I stick to my plan, you guys, and I don't under risk, this, like, it's guaranteed to hit. Okay? What do we see here? We have a reaction. We go down. And no, I only risk 400 on this trade because I was trying to target higher draws. Because I thought at the time, this would have been a clear draw, which we did eventually take, right? But we swept to the lower a little bit. So after I saw that, right here, I was like, okay, this is definitely going to hit. What happens is we wake up and we go down. And right here, again, my strategy is 1-to-1. I should be out already, but no, I hit the trade. We took stop loss. Okay, so then I had 0.6 left to risk for today because those are my risk parameters. Either we risk 1%, and that's it. Okay, and I only took 2 trades here. I'll show you guys what my second trade was, and this one really good. Let's actually follow my plan here. You guys can see on the 1 minute chart we're creating higher highs, right? 4 hours, like big time frame, we have bullish narrative. 1 minute. Now we have clear market structure. Like, this is very clean. So I saw this break over here. Okay, we'll get rid of the old breaks. What do we see here? Okay, I saw this first break over here. Right, as you guys can see over here. And now we had this break. And once I saw this break, I was like, okay, we had 2 clean breaks with very clean market structure. Like, this is basics. Okay, I have the break. Clear break, good push. Look at that, you see? We push. What do? We have a fair value gap that I can retrace to under the break because that's my strategy. So I enter over here and immediately this trade, I was like, okay, really strong. Why? Because we have good draws over here, 1 hour. There's nothing really stopping us from pushing these hour draws. Like nothing at all. Look, we have a huge space of nothing. Okay, so I got over here. I was like, okay, we're going to hit TP in the next few seconds. What happens? We reverse back to break even. Okay. So, same thing, right? And then we started creating this consolidation. And right here, guys, I got very emotional. I had a bunch of what ifs. Like, what if I lose this trade? I'm down 1% for today. What if I win this trade? Like, because it was so choppy, my confidence was just shot. So what I had to do is I literally had to step away from my computer because I didn't want to fucking do anything stupid. So I said, okay, I'm just going to set limits here. Let's go add an alert. If I lose, I'll hear the ding, right? But if I win, I'll hear the ding. Regardless, whatever happens, this is an A+ setup. So I have no clue why I'm being emotional and attacking myself. So I told myself, okay, let's just stick away from the charts, man. Whatever happens, happens. This is an A+ setup, right? Statistically, okay? Statistically, win or lose, it doesn't matter. If I can stick to my A+ setups in the long run, I mean, it's guaranteed that we will make it. Okay? So after that, what I do? I come back. Okay, we hit TP. And because we were so close to all-time highs right here, you guys, I did a partial close because I had 3 slots open. There's 3 units. So I secured 0.7%. Or sorry, 0.5%. Right? Just getting us at least up for today. And then I wanted to let the rest run so we can hit our full 1%. What ended up happening is we went down. After this big move, I placed stops on BE. Okay? So at least now I had a risk-free trade, nothing on my mind. Whatever happens, happens. We're up for the day. I do know it is just 0.5%, but still considered a winning day. I cannot complain. And at least now I have 2 trade buffers where I can get more confident and start risking full 1% again. But yeah, guys, rule for this trade is same thing yesterday, right? If I was able to, and again, we are humans as traders. You're not going to be perfect, but what you can do is try to act on your emotions, okay? Now, if you're not confident, right, and if you do full risk, then mentally you're going to shoot yourself. So, to me, what I do is I'm going to place partial risk. I'm not going to do my full 1%. I'll do smaller sizes. So at least there's no butterflies in my stomach and shit, you know, having all that what ifs. Because, man, and guys, honestly, I mean, let's see. I don't want to log in here. Okay, perfect. We're logged in. Guys, I mean, we're up for today. We're like 2% up, like on the eval and the challenge. Yeah, it's not updating yet, but let me make sure. Oh, I guess we got stop BE. It didn't update. What? Well, I don't know what happened there. What the heck? Is it not connected, you guys? Oh, shoot. Maybe TradeSync is just having issues. Jeez, okay. I don't know what happened, but I guess whatever. But yeah, on the thing here, you guys, like, we still have winning days. I think this trade really tilted me on Asia Friday, yeah, on the 4th, because I severely over-risked. So now mentally I'm like, okay, I'm gonna under-risk. But yeah, that's it for today, you guys. You know, another winning day, can't complain. Peace out.